This is Ankita here from Education Street, and today I'm going to talk about how our UG counseling, undergraduate counseling works at Education Street. So we cover almost everything, and that's what we get a very good feedback from our previous students and parents. But let me elaborate that further for you. So we have 5 pointers which we cover, and I think that covers almost everything. So for the first and foremost is profile building, which is the utmost important thing which I see gives the best result. So profile building is basically to introduce your child to varied concepts. It could be that he's interested right now in physics or maths, but he might be interested towards economics also. Or we take physics and maths to a little more higher level. So we introduce him to what he actually likes currently, and also introduce him to new things. And for this we engage with him one-on-one, so it's a very customized plan. We cannot have one thing which fits everybody, so we actually work around, we listen to them, we talk to them, we make an engagement with them and a connection with them. As a counselor, that is what my role is. So I come out with what their fears, their strengths and things are, and make a list of things which we would like to do in the time bandwidth that we have. Could be that you're starting in 9th standard, then we have a lot of things to do. It could be right from charity work, it could be exploring with certification, technical programs, programming language, it could also be an internship, it could be varied things, but it all depends on when you start. The right time would be 9th, but it could be 9th, 10th, 11th, we would utilize whatever we have in hand. So profile building is very, very important. Second thing what we do is then start with the university, country and course selection. Of course, a lot of this depends on what your interests are and also the course that you have identified, and we have helped to identify that. Our outcome of profile building is this, that the child himself or herself will be able and very clear on what he or she wants to study, and that's what every parents want, and that is what our goal is as well. So we would help you find the right universities which fit your course, your child, and that will help him to grow and enhance his skills further. So this is what we do in the university selection, course selection and country selection. We can apply to one country, we can apply to multiple countries. That is also a choice given to you. The third part is basically application process. Very, very important, because that is where we actually apply to the universities, and we need to be very careful here. As a child is very young, a lot of assistance is required from our side, and that's what we do. We handhold your child, but at the end we make them or we engage them in all the processes, because they should realize how difficult and how intriguing this entire process is. They should feel the thrill of applying and at the end get highly motivated when the results are out. So we help in essay writing, CV building, letter of recommendation and getting transcripts right from your high school institutions. So these are the varied areas where we engage with the child. The third part is basically coming to loan assistance and visa assistance. Here we help parents to understand how much is the cost of education, how that country requires, and how we need to show and how we need to plan. If loan is required, we have loan assistance as well. And then at the end, the visa process. The visa process is also very challenging, but once we have the right admit, we have the right fulfilling dream university, I think rest all gets managed. Whichever country, we have all the expertise to help you to apply for the visas as well. The visas are very, very lengthy process. When it comes to documentation or interviews, we get you covered here. So do not worry, we will help you to file your forms, file your visas, and also help you to prepare for the interview. So the entire process is covered, but at the end, what is most important is also what we iron for, and that is to get scholarships. We all know studying abroad is a very big burden. We all aspire, parents want the best for their child, but of course we have to understand it comes with a very huge cost. And hence we help you to get the best application forward, also help to make the best profile. So eventually, if you have a good profile, good aggregate and well across skill sets and profile which is very strong, eventually getting a scholarship is not a dream but a huge possibility, and hence we want to do that for you. So if you start early, that's the best way, but if not, you may start by 10th, you may start by 11th. We also do coaching, which is SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, whichever test you're looking forward for. So that is our different service, which is us coaching. So counseling and coaching is our very big forte, and we are expert in whichever country you're looking out to send your child across. I hope this answers and helps you to understand that Education Street can really be instrumental for your child's studying abroad dream. We just don't think that we work same for all. We are very customized, and our solutions are bang on to what is needed by you. So hope so we can have you on board. Thank you.